In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for TradingView Premium. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to choose your billing period, and how to select the premium plan with confidence. Start on your browser's search page and type TradingView. In the results, look for the official link labeled TradingView, Track All Markets. Clicking that takes you to the TradingView homepage. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the main site by entering the address in the URL bar, but using search is a quick way to ensure you're on the correct page. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This is your entry point to account-related settings. From the drop-down or menu that appears, choose Settings and Billing. This area is where TradingView keeps all your account, payment, and plan information in one place, making it the best spot to manage upgrades. Inside Settings, find and click Subscriptions. This tab summarizes your current status and options. Next, click Current Plan to see what you're on right now. Even if you're on a free plan, this view lays out the path to upgrading. You should see an Upgrade Now option. Click that to open the pricing and plan selection page. Here, decide how you want to be billed. You can choose monthly if you want flexibility and the ability to reassess later. There's also annually, which typically offers a lower effective monthly cost for a full year. Take a moment to review any price differences, regional taxes, or promotional notes before choosing. You can usually switch later, but it's smart to pick what aligns with your budget and time frame. Now, review the plan tiers. You'll see Essential, Plus, Premium, and sometimes Ultimate. Essential and Plus are entry and mid-tier options with fewer features. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on Premium, which is the plan designed for advanced charting, more indicators and layouts, and higher data limits. Click on Premium to select it. If you see Ultimate, that's a higher tier with expanded limits. Only choose it if you specifically need those extras. After choosing Premium and your billing period, proceed through the on-screen prompts to finalize the upgrade. Make sure the plan name and billing frequency are correct before confirming. If there's a trial available, you'll see it noted here. Just remember, trials convert to paid unless canceled in time. That's it. You navigated to TradingView, opened Settings and Billing, went to Subscriptions, checked your current plan, clicked Upgrade Now, chose monthly or annually, and selected Premium. You're all set to enjoy the advanced features.